What's up guys, Mr. DS18. Thank you for tuning in to another unboxing video. Check this out, the new PRO-X RGB cap. What does cap mean? Well, instead of having the RGB bullet, we have now the RGB dust cap. That's right, you heard right. The dust cap lights up RGB style. So we're gonna open it up, we're gonna show you guys some specs, then we're gonna connect it, light it up, play some music so you guys can check it out. So, PRO-X6.4 RGB cap. Manual, sticker, cutout board, and check this out. We got the RGB wires just out of the way. And check out this beauty. Look at that. Nice DS18 steel basket. Has the RGB connectors on this side. Ferrite magnet. Got the butt connectors on this side. Spade terminals. Edge surround paper cone. Check out the dust cap. Check that out. Some specs. This is a 1.5-inch voice coil, 250 watts RMS, 500 watts max power. Frequency response is 125 hertz to all the way to 12 kilohertz. 94 dBs. This bad boy is loud. Let's put some lights in it. Here we go. So it's easy. This is how you connect it. You guys see right there. You grab and easy as pie. There you go. Let me grab some wires here. Let's light this sucker up. Let's put it in red. There we go. Check that out. RGB dust cap. You got the red. We're gonna leave it in red. Now we're gonna connect it so we can power it up and see how loud this bad boy with that dust cap can go. You got positive, negative. You got everything hooked up. Let's turn this baby on. Let's look for a good song. There we go. Start off low. There we go. Let's look for the right song. In the meantime, let's pause it right here while we can look for the right song. Turned off. So I turned off the high pass filter, and let's look for And there you guys have it. The PRO-X6.4 RGB cap. The dust cap is RGB. Check that out. We have them ready, available, so make sure you guys check them out. Thank you for tuning in to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.